Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, I'm leaving to the airport now. It is currently 4:15. I'm just going to be saying bye to my mom. So, bye mama. Okay, I'll see you soon. I'm at the airport. I'm heading to my gate and it is currently 5:20. My flight is at 6:10 and yes, I'm excited. I am having a coffee to start my morning. I have reached my destination. We're supposed to be going ahead. It looks like we're going backwards.
Dude, you're like... I'm actually a pretty good driver.
Yeah, doesn't look like it. We're home. Come on, chauffeur. Yes. Good job. Good job. Of me eating. Why do you want to show everybody how much I eat? Guys, this is like the cutest thing ever. Ooh. Thanks, ma'am. Would you like the banana? Want the banana? You look like a banana. Like a little muffin. Fit check. Girls' day out time. Oh shit. What the heck? It's so hot. Copyright. I'm back. We went to the mall and came back. I got my hair done. And my nails. So I got my hair done. And my nails. What are we doing now? We're gonna chill for a bit and then we are gonna get ready for dinner. It's Madam's birthday tomorrow, so pre-birthday dinner. We're heading out for dinner now. Look at the birthday girl. Guys, it's the next day. Not exactly sunbathing. Now I'm sunbathing. We're gonna go to IKEA. I'm so excited. Yeah, since Bangalore doesn't have IKEA, I'm gonna be going crazy in the IKEA over here. Later tonight is her birthday party, so we are going to be going for that. And then a lot of our other friends are going to come from school and a few other people. So that's going to be fun. See y'all later. Say good morning.
Hi.
It's her birthday, guys. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. What is this? What is that? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's just fish in the aquarium.
Do you like milk?
Guys, do y'all like chocos soaking in milk or like dry? I want it to be little. Look at my nails. I'm so excited. So last night I was sleeping, and then like in the middle of the night there's this mosquito that sneaked into my blanket. It bit the shit out of me. I hate it. I hate mosquitoes. I like resent them. I hate them so much. No, this is fine. Thank you. Thank you guys. Chocos. Yeah, show this one. So pretty. Only I get infected. So little backstory. I got a piercing and I got infected and I had to get surgery. Whereas everybody else, all my other friends have so many piercings and like nothing happened to them. My luck is only bad. Nonsense. Okay, I'm gonna eat breakfast now. Catch you later. Guys, we're at IKEA. This IKEA mashed potato is like to die for. I'm like a huge potato fan, and this mashed potato is IKEA's doing it right. We are going out to get some food. Today we are doing a mukbang. 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 Yeah, so she hated her for other things also.
Actually, why not?
Why not? That's why I'm promoting. Guys, she has a phone. Her number is...
No.
I like to introduce
I think I'm
you.
gonna have momos.
Momo.
Momo. You're a momo.
Isha momish. I'll ask you something. So in your hot chocolate, do you like marshmallow?
Yeah.
Dude. Yes.
It's like one of those relationships where you find your way back to each other. Despite however bad.
Fun fact. In 4th grade, I was taller than Shreya, guys. I was taller than Shreya.
What's your height?
I choose not to declare. I'm above average. So beautiful, like me.
Okay, don't. She loves me way too much.
Who told you that?
You.
What was happening in school were like our biggest problems, and
And
it
they
was
were very stupid. It was like
very silly problems,
boys.
man.
or studies
Yeah,
or like
mainly
fighting.
was boys. Fighting also because of boys. Studying also why? Because you have a boyfriend. I can't do these mountains. Like too cold, man. Why are you like?
There's no plate. Why didn't you get a plate?
Why did you get a plate? I got forks. You could have gotten a plate. Madam is becoming an influencer on Instagram. Follow her.
Yeah.
Her Instagram is called Mwah Khushi. Guys, she's really good at what she does. You should. You have to go follow her and follow me also.
If you care, just exit.
Exit. It was like I died for her. I died like I was dead to her basically. That's what I mean.
Like that, I shut everyone out. I think it happened even with you.
Am I having?
No.
What annoys you of me? You.
We're just eating.
Then we used to be like doing this sticker trading nonsense. So like I'll give her like my big jelly sticker and then she'll give me like one small ass imported sticker. I hope you enjoyed this video of me stuffing my face and
Oh, I thought you were gonna say like.
wait, okay, bye. Hi guys, so I'm back home from my trip to Hyderabad. I had such a good time there, and yeah, I'm exhausted. I'm gonna take a nap now, but that's it for the vlog. I hope you liked it. If you did, please go like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It'll really help me. Also, push the bell icon to keep up with me. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.